In the next segment, wiring steps are reviewed. The OpenPath SDC can be powered with PoE, PoE+, and/or an external 12 to 24 volt supply. If using external power, you'll still need Ethernet cable network access or be able to configure it with Wi-Fi. The minimum external power supply requirements are indicated here. To power locking hardware without an external supply, select 12 or 24 volts and connect locking hardware as shown. To use external power, select here and use NO or NC and C and wire to the external supply. Fail-safe and fail-secure are ways to configure locking hardware. Fail-safe hardware unlocks when power is interrupted, while fail-secure hardware locks when power is interrupted. As a warning, remove the DC input power and PoE before changing the voltage of the relays. In the next segment, advanced wiring configurations are reviewed. The following illustration demonstrates wiring Wiegand reader. Wiring a REX to the SDC is demonstrated as shown here. For door contact, connect the following wires as shown here. If connecting a reader to the SDC, wire it as shown here. Any additional readers are wired similarly. Regarding end-of-line supervision, the REX 1-2 and Contact 1-2 support user-installed single or double 1K termination. The following wiring diagrams are examples. Ensure to follow the installation instructions of third-party hardware for cable types, power requirements, and manufacturer-specific configurations. Consult the specific training available to learn more about these topics.